Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show an hands-on demo on creating your first analysis within Celonis. So let's go into the Celonis app. Okay, so in the previous section, we created this data model. Let's try to use this data model to build some basic dashboard and analysis. So the data is quite minimal, so let's see okay what we can build with that, but let's see. So within studio, so I've already created something here, but I'll delete it. Okay, so let's create a space, and let's call the space as lead to convert. Yeah, and let's select the data model. So the data model is this lead to convert data model we created. So let's select that. Okay, and create. Okay, so there is no packages here. So we created the space. Now let's create a first package. But again, so the space is at some region level or something. But since it is lead to create, I created. So generally, you create the functional process at a package level, but it's fine. Yeah. So let's call it as lead to create package. Name it like that. Yeah. So what is that we want to create? So there are different, assets here. These are assets. So let's build the analysis. Yeah. I'm going to build analysis. I selected that, and data model is here. And let's look into advanced settings. I think this is not required. Probably we'll say English here. Yeah. So now go click create. It has created the package for us. This particular package, this is pre-creating the knowledge model also. So it has created the package. Now within this package, let's try and select one of the analysis we want to create. So as I said, let's create a blank analysis with this new sheet. So now we can add different components to this. Now click on this components. So you can see process analysis component. We have process explorer, variant explorer, throughput time search, activity explorer. Then you have machine learning components. If you want to write any kind of machine learning code, okay, using Python, which then you can use the ML notebook. It's similar to Python notebook, which you can use that to write. Regular charts and tables you can do here, and single KPI component and selection component and design components. Yeah. So let's create a basic table to start with. I'll select the OLAP table. So I've selected this. So let's add some data note into it. Let me select a dimension. So these are the different tables, right? Okay. So this is the event log. This is the attributes. Yeah. So let's try and add an attribute. Yeah. So because this will be the right thing to do it on dimension. Let's say I want to see the number of different cases who have come into the website by region. Yeah. I've selected the region here, and I want to see the number of cases from each region. So I click on case ID. I want to get a count distinct of cases. Yeah. So this is giving me how many people have come into the website from different regions. So I can see China has 3, UK has 5, US has 2. So you can change this name also. Yeah, you can go here and you can rename it. So you can rename it as number of uh, uh, visit people visits by region. Yeah. So that would reflect it then. Okay. So we have created a simple table here. So let's create another component. Let's create a process kind of explorer. Yeah. So click on component again. Let's click on process explorer. So this automatically creates it for you because you have given the case ID table. Sorry, okay, the activity table. It takes it up based on that and it creates the process explorer. Now, finally, let's create another component. You want to slice this down, okay, by continent. You can select a drop down, and you can select the attribute continent. Yeah, that would build a drop down by continent. I'll just say select continent. Yeah, continent. Okay. Continent. Yeah. So it has created this here. You can put it here. So now, if you look at it, now this is at the edit mode. If you toggle this, it would become non-editable. So now you cannot edit it. So now, if you want to slice this by continent, you can just click Asia. It will slice it only by Asia, only China, and what is the process that has been followed here. So you can increase this. Okay, I think this doesn't have any other case. I think it is only 3 cases, which are all. This is the overall, like, full process explorer. Yeah. So you can increase the number of activity here, number of flows here. So this is the overall one. You can zoom in to see, like, there are 3 cases who have come in from China. 2 have visited the landing page, and one of them had gone to visit how it works. Like, another one has from here has gone to select product C. 2 of them has visited product B. Then 3 of them, all the 3 click signed up, and all the 3 closed the session. And, like, you can see, like, here 2 of them visited homepage, and 2 of them visited landing page. Yeah. So there is kind of a loop happening here. So we will talk about this in detail, okay, when we go into the process, like, insight stage, which is the next video. Yeah. But here quickly, I want to show you, okay, how you can create these visuals, okay, within Celonis. Right. I hope you got a idea. So if you want to create more analysis, click on this edit, add component. Similar to Power BI, you can add any number of components you want. These are design features. Like, if you want to add a image, a line, a logo, all those you can use it. Yeah. It is very much, okay, self-learnable. You can try it out. Okay. It's not rocket science. If there's anything specific you want, you can mention it in the comment. Okay, I can just try and do a video for you. Yeah. In the next video, we look into, like, one of the created analysis and how to derive insights from the created analysis, and basically how we use the analysis build and process mining tool like Celonis to get some intelligence on the process, and how you can utilize to drive improvements. So that will be the next section.